Hello guys, in today's video I will answer you some basic question about Termux. And also I will tell you how to use Termux and perform hacking from your Android mobile phone. Here is your question, and my answer. What is Termux? Guys, as you know, terminal is a main part of hacking. Without terminal, no hacking. Termux is an Android terminal emulator, which is used for hacking in Android, which have ability to hack any type of system or web. Why use for EAT? Termux used for penetration testing, hacking web and Android. As you know, we can hack website from it. So watch my upcoming video for more knowledge about it. I will upload video about penetration testing and web hacking. Is any programming languages needed for run this application? No needed any programming knowledge. But if you know about programming, that's better. Don't need it to must learn about programming. Next question, can we hack Wi-Fi from Termux? Yes, we can hack Wi-Fi using Termux, but we need external router for it, and more knowledge about EAT. Next question, can we hack website from Termux? Yes, we can hack website using Termux, which have vulnerability in it. Can we hack Android device from Termux? Yes, we can hack any Android device, PC or Mac from Termux. We can make payload and insert it inside Android, PC, or Mac, and take all the data there. Which device are required to run this application? You can run it in any device with 1 GB RAM, 3 GB of storage. Version of device required more than 4.0, with good data speed. Can we improve our hacking skills from Termux app? Yes, you can become master of penetration testing and hacking. If you keep doing it with a little trouble, then one day you will become a master in EAT. How long does it take to learn? It depends on how much time you spend in here. How seriously you look in it. How much interest are you in here? Last question, is our YouTube channel Tech You Everything About Termux and Hacking? Yes, we are here to make you best hacker. Our channel will provide you all hacking tips and tricks, best hacking ebooks and tutorial for free. So subscribe us and get free benefits from us. And join our group, link given in the description. Here are some important packages for hacking in Termux to run hacking. So follow the commands properly. And please apply commands by copy-pasting from PDF. Or typing them. Type all commands in small letters. After opening your Termux, just simple type apt update. This command will update your Termux. After update, now type apt upgrade for upgrade your terminal. If you want to install any package in Termux, then just type apt install your package name, for example Git. Now give the storage permission to access your storage. Type Termux setup storage. Now you will see a pop-up notification. Click to allow. I know guys, many of you are feeling bored for typing one by one command. So I make a one-click installation file for you. First download the one-click installation file from description. This process will take 3 to 5 minutes. Now you are all set and your terminal is ready for hacking. So guys, hit the like button and subscribe our channel. See you in next video. Goodbye.